Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
The People's Democratic Party is watching developments in Zamfara State as this concern reports of plans by the state governor, Bello Matawalle, to cross over to the All Progressives Congress. The PDP categorically cautions the Zamfara State governor, Bello Matawalle, to know that his plans amount to a decision to vacate office, as no law allows him to cross over to any other party with a governorship mandate statutorily given to the PDP through the ballot box, as already established by the provision of the 1999 Constitution as amended and the standing judgment of the Supreme Court. A combined reading of the Section a combined reading of Section 221 of the 1999 Constitution as the pronouncement of the Supreme Court in Falike versus INEC 2016 is clear in holding that it is a political party that stands for election, that votes scored in the election belong to the political party, and that the candidate nominated to contest at an election by his party acts only as the agent of his party. The PDP also cautions members of the National Assembly, as well as members of the Zamfara State House of Assembly, not to allow themselves to be pushed into losing their seats, as the provisions of the Constitution is very clear in barring lawmakers from cross-carpeting, except in a situation of a division in the political party upon which platform they were elected. There is no division in the People's Democratic Party to warrant defection of any of our lawmakers. The PDP hopes that the Zamfara State Governor, Bello Matawalle, as well as members of the National and State Assembly from Zamfara State, will take caution. Meanwhile, the National Working Committee of the People's Democratic Party has approved the dissolution of Zamfara State Executive of the party. The decision is in line with the provisions of Section 29, subsection 2B of the PDP Constitution 2017 as amended. All party members, leaders, critical stakeholders, as well as our teaming members in Zamfara State should be guided by this accordingly. Thank you very much. Those who have defected from the party, since you didn't mention names, I do not know how objective that is or whether it is true or not. However, in respect of the campaign, particularly for governors, it is necessary to state that every requirement that should stabilize the party and make our governors to remain in the party has been offered to every individual governor. But it takes a lot of courage. It takes a lot of valor for some governors to be able to continue to stand and speak out against the situation in which the nation has been pushed to. So those that you can find the campaign, perhaps, are those who lack the courage to be able to withstand the heat of the APC at this moment. Well, it's not delusion. You must understand that the circumstance in which each of the governors came into office differs. And as such, I do not consider what the party is doing or what the party position is on Zamfara as a delusion. If anything, it will be a subject of the legal jurisprudence of our nation. What happened in Zamfara will be a subject of legal jurisprudence, and that our party will take every necessary action permissible within the law to ensure that our mandate is not stolen.
Are you going to court? Can you be categorical?
I have said we will do everything necessary within the confines of the law. So we'll go to court. Or it includes going to court. Yes, I'm hearing Telegraph speaking somewhere. What is he saying?
And what will you tell aggrieved members of the PDP nationally? Because a lot of them are weighed down. They are feeling left by the exit of these governors, and they feel that as 2023 approach, it looks like they are being left,
Well, we'll just appeal to our members to show understanding at this critical time, because, as a matter of fact, everything that the party needs to do, it has done. However, if these governors that are leaving went to soil their fingers and their hands without engaging party members, when they are confronted with the implication of their actions, perhaps they feel that they cannot face the intimidation and that they will have to leave. However, we are very confident as a party that no matter what is happening, moving towards 2023 election, the party is on a rebound and it will bounce back. Thank you very much.
Let me just clarify something.
I didn't say so either. I didn't say he has defected. We only caution. We cautioned against defection. Upon the need to hold the structure of the party.